When discussing and constructing line graphs, and also when collecting measured data, a really common word you'll hear is the word variable. So this video explains what that means. Now, when something changes, we say it varies. So during an investigation, we obtain data to measure or monitor that change. So using the word vary, we could say a variable is a quantity where its value can change. It can be measured in that investigation. For example, we know that temperature can vary. It can feel cold, it can become warmer. Temperature in degrees Celsius is a variable. And a car's speed can vary. We know it can increase, we know it can decrease. So speed, measured in kilometers per hour, is a variable. That's the meaning of the word variable. On a line graph, there are two specific types of variables, and they have names. The key idea is you must place the correct variable on the correct axis. Using this line graph as a correct example, there's a variable shown on the vertical axis, it's volume of fuel measured in litres. And there's a separate variable shown on the horizontal axis, that's time measured in hours. So these are the two variables. Now this is important. Before I tell you the names of each type of variable, isn't it true that the litres in the tank depends on the travel time? The volume of fuel is known as the dependent variable, and it always is displayed on the vertical axis, and the travel time is known as the independent variable, because the time series will always pass independent of any other data we collect. And we take those time measurements at equal increments for the benefit of studying the other variable. And although when you create the axis, it still has measurements of equal increments, the thing that will vary is the actual data you collected. The fuel quantity depends on the travel time.